Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by entering edit mode and picking the selection type that matches your goal: vertices, edges, or faces. Once done, use box select B for rectangular groups or lasso for freeform strokes. These are the fastest ways to grab many elements. Make sure to toggle X-ray or limit selection to visible when hidden geometry matters. You'll save time by combining selection mode with viewport overlays. This sets up efficient, predictable selection behavior as you move to targeted edits. Next, refine what you grabbed by expanding or contracting selections intelligently. You can select linked L to capture connected islands, or select similar Shift-G to match by attributes like area or normal. Use grow and shrink, Ctrl+/-, or select more /less to nudge the set gradually. This prevents overshooting. For edge-based workflows, pick edge loops with Alt-click and edge rings with Ctrl-Alt-click. Once you combine these tools, selection becomes precise and aligned with mesh topology, so edits behave predictably. To finish, isolate your target with Hide H or invert selection, Ctrl-I, and confirm you're in the right selection mode. Apply select by trait, normals, sharp, or seam to catch subtle areas, and use masking for sculpt-style workflows. Make sure to check selection filters and snapping if transforms misapply. If selections behave oddly, switch to object mode and back, toggle X-ray or limit selection to visible, and look for duplicate vertices or hidden faces. Fixing those usually restores correct selection behavior immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.